Back in February, I participated in my budget quest on My Bharat app as first stage, which was quiz. So I didn't imagine that I would come so far. So I didn't even imagine that I would be selected in the next stage, which is essay writing competition. But I was selected. I got an email. I got SMS that I got selected in essay, and you have to submit in these dates. So I thought this would be my last stage that I will be able to participate. But after participating, uh, I was waiting for the result for the final round. But till the last date, I waited, but I didn't get the result. I thought I was not selected. Even my management of my college kept asking me that have you got selected or not. But I said, dates are near of dates of final rounds are near, so I think I didn't get selected. So I think final round was on April 12th and 13th. I got email and SMS on the day before 12th, which is on 11th. So I didn't expect that I would get that much late the result, because I was not expecting that I got selected. If I would have been selected, then I would have get the results early. So well, while I was on the way to home from the college, I got the SMS that I got selected in the final round. Congratulations! And you have to go to so and so place for the participation. Uh, then already I was on the way, so I thought, let's go to home first. Then I came home. I called to my sir, and he said, I'll come to college immediately. I'll give you the contact so that he will help you to participate in final round. So okay, I went to college immediately after going to home. He gave me all the information and gave me the contacts to whom to contact. Mm, and I called the management. He said that you have to stay in the hostel on on 12th and 13th. So okay, I was very nervous because this is the first time ever I'm going alone, all alone. So on 12th of April, I went through local bus with my mom. uh, I checked in the hostel. They were asking, why did you come on 12th? The venue was Kanha Shantivanam, Hyderabad. I am from Hyderabad, so there Tamil Nadu students or participants or have also come. Uh, Both the states, Telangana and Tamil Nadu, participants participated on 12th in Parliament session. Parliament session on 12th was only for girls. It was Nari Shakti Parliament session. So only girls have participated. And on 13th of April, there was a virtual meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So uh, before him, many guests, many dignitaries came to give us the motivational speeches, and they gave us the opportunity to ask them the questions according to their speeches. I have tried my best to ask them the questions, but I could not because of many participants were there, and they were also trying to take the mic and ask the question. And in that, I couldn't do that. I couldn't ask question to anyone, but I have written all the questions to ask in my book, which they provided. They provided the goodies on the first day, which was t-shirt, cap, bag, book and pen. So I have the videos and photos which I will share with you. And I'm shooting this video after 7 months almost. I never knew that I will be going to come back on this channel, but I had to share my experience with you all. And never think that you will get never get an opportunity. I too thought that also, that even, but I got the opportunity and I was surprised, and I'm grateful to God, grateful to the sir who encouraged me to participate in that. Yeah, that's it. हाँ, फिर अपन भी छोड़ देते ना, अपन वीडियोस को ले रहे ना.
This is the last dinner in Khana Shantivanam, guys. Give some gestures. Hello, hello. Bye bye, guys. The last dinner of the Khana. Last dinner, guys. Khana Shantivanam. These are my Tamil Nadu friends. Our Telangana friends.
What should we shout?
You are from Sangareddy.
Hey, this is Ranga Reddy, na?
Your video is not Don't be soft, man.
I am from Tamil Nadu.
And I am from Bihar.
The mix of Telangana and Sangareddy.
And they all are.
We are also from Sangareddy.
That district
Telangana.
Telangana.
Okay, we all are from Sangareddy.
We all are Indians.
What?
Hi,